So this video is going to cover Magic and what it can do for you as a trader. So we talked about the stop loss, take profit rules of breakouts, bounces, and some of the other trading methodologies that may be included. One thing is what you're doing is you're using Magic to execute the plan automatically. So when those trading situations are met, then you can have Magic enter the trade, exit the trade automatically. So you can have a stop loss right here. Once it came down and bounced off support, you could look for the entry point right here as your limit order. You can also wait once the market got to this price if you were unsure about direction as far as if it was going to continue going downwards. Looking for candlestick patterns, you can use a command called buy start and wait for a close above that line. And already have your stop loss and take profit pre-programmed. So your trading plan is just basically being put into action. You already know what you're willing to risk in the trade. So when those parameters are met, seeing that it's coming down to that support level there, you're not sure if you want to enter on the touch, but you're looking for the break against that reversal pattern, looking for an engulfing pattern. So that's your entry point. Your stop loss is right there, and then your take profit is met over here on the right hand side, giving you an 82-point gain. So here's a situation that I'm currently looking at. Is same scenario, is you see the mark came down. Here's somewhat an engulfing pattern, but I'm waiting for a confirmation close above this close. So that would be my buy signal. My stop loss is behind the swing low, and my take profit is right here. So the same thing that we expected right here. We saw that this was resistance, may act as support. So I'm looking for the market to commit to this upward swing and trending upwards. So with this being said, with the using Magic, you can automate your trading methodologies on either the bounce or the break. Some other examples I'm going to show you that have already been met, but what you may be looking for. So right here, if we're looking for a double top situation, we saw that this was support as our target. We can see that there's certain candlestick patterns that we're interested in. We already have our stop loss. Market continue going upward to hit our stop loss, but if it reverses beyond this wick low, then we're an indication of weakness. That could be a stop order, or you can look for a closing command, entering the market right there, and then exiting you at the support level. So the great thing about Magic is a visual trading tool that you can see and why it's actually entering the market for you, what you're looking for, and how you're exiting. Okay, and then looking at this one, for example, this is with closing commands, this example here. So if we were looking for a break of a trend line here, and that's what we're expecting, we have a sell start, sell SL 40, so market price is above this, expecting a close beyond this price to enter the sell position. So when those parameters are met, it would enter a sell right here. Our stop loss would be 40 points. And then our take profit would be back at the origination point of the trend line, which has already been working towards, giving you a big take profit. So this is just the breakout methodology. But like I said, you can use Magic on the touch, the break, all the commands that we taught, or the methodologies that we covered. It can do all that for you and automate the situation. So if you already know what you're looking for in the marketplace, you see what kind of market condition you're up against, then Magic will help you, assist you by taking those market movements or those trading opportunities that may happen when you may not be around. So for instance, like here we have support, we're expecting a breakout. Here's your entry point on the close of the candle. So again, if you're looking at it in a more hindsight manner, you don't know when it may break below that area. Okay, so what Magic can do is once you enter the command and when those parameters are met, it will enter the trade or execute whatever parameter that you're looking for, and then automate your trading strategy. So the best thing about Magic is it's something that you control. You enter the trades or enter the commands that you're specifically looking for in the marketplace. Then once those parameters are met, then Magic can execute the trade, and you can trade on any account size, any time frame, any currency pair, and any trade methodology based on support, resistance, trend lines, and chart patterns. So it's just a trading tool that can help you benefit from these big moves, these opportunities that are going to happen at any time. Well, thank you for watching this video.